Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Perry. Today we're going to walk through a 2025 Sea Ray Boats 400 SLX Outboard. This boat is aptly named the Entertainer, so you can see why. But we'll start on the back, kind of move forward. Probably won't be an exhaustive walkthrough, but we'll leave you something to come back for and see it in person. Outboard power. So these are the Mercury Verado, the new V12 600 horsepower engines. Very quiet, very powerful, a great power package for this boat. So with the outboard version, we get, of course, this swim platform, but in all the boats, you get the patio terrace, the fold down terrace here. One thing customers love doing with this is you open this up, and now I can sit comfortably right here with views that are kind of unobstructed by anything else. So some people say, you know, with the outboard motors, oh, you know, my transom is all taken up by outboards. But now you have this, you have the best of both worlds, really. This big, expansive transom swim platform area, as well as all the benefits that come with outboard power. So cover the outboards. Let's go check out the inside. Okay, so now we're in the cockpit of the 400 SLX. The favorite things I enjoy on this boat are your entertainment station. So you got twin Kenyon electric grills. We have a freshwater sink. You have to have dedicated trash cans on this boat, so 2 there, and independent fridge and then freezer space up top. So if you're out for the day on this boat, the Entertainer, you're entertaining lots of friends, lots of family, food taken care of, refrigeration taken care of. And the other very large thing is, look at how many seats, how many people you can fit on this boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 right here. And we literally just talked about one side of the boat. So this 40-foot boat overall can carry all your friends. Let's go check out the Helm station. All right, so here at the Helm 400 SLX, this is the twin Simrad display. We have everything we need: chart, echo sounder, engine controls. This is the controls for all of the boat. So I'll likely put, you know, chart up on this side, engine display up on the other side, and then you can even do a split display where, you know, say I wanted engine display and my chart up on the left screen. You can do that as well. Fusion audio. You have easily accessed buttons here, tilt steering wheel, 2 cup holders on passenger side, 1 cup holder on the captain side, engine controls. This feels really good. I've got great visibility when the bolster's up, and if you need a little bit of protection, a little bit more comfortable during a longer run, just flip the bolster down and you'll be good to go. Some other things of note: this has the automatic Lenco trim tab system. So hit the auto button and it'll take care of the boat port left, right list. You have your joystick with Skyhook as well as autopilot, and then your active trim system with these engines is located easily right here. So if I don't want to have to worry about trimming the engines, just push that button there. If I want to do a little engine trim myself, you can easily trim your engines right from this control. One thing I like to point out on a lot of the boats that we get on is really safety for your family. Notice how high these gunnels are. I'm about 6'4". You have little kids running around, you don't want them falling out of the boat. On the 400 SLX, you feel like, you know, when you're sitting down, you're really in the boat, right? I've got these nice armrests right here. Feels comfortable when you're out for the day. So 3 wide here. You've got seats into the forward V berth in the bow. There's a nice table that can go right here, so if you're sitting up having Lunch, very comfortable spot. Got grab handles, premium marine leather wrapped handrails there. And then forward where you're sitting, John, is your anchor windlass. So two spots to open here. That's where you can actually physically see your anchor, and then your windlass is located there with your convenient anchor wash, bow wash down located there. Let's go take a look at the cabin. All right, so this boat has a cabin, so it's not only a large day boat. If you need to spend a night, overnight somewhere, you have the capabilities to. So we have a small fridge here, storage, TV on the port side. You have a front V-berth that doubles as a kind of a working station. The table pops up and pops down. There's a filler cushion that can fill in there. So if you have, two couples on board, you can fit one couple forward in this area. You got large hull windows, so you can let some natural light in this boat. And one of the things I love is a full stand-up head. So nicely appointed by Sea Ray. Stand-up shower and head on this boat, as opposed to other day boats where you don't really have that headroom to stand up. When the 400 SLX, 100% you do. And then finally, further aft, you have your main sleeping area. This is probably a queen plus size berth, very wide, very comfortably fit, you and your partner down here for the night. Of course, AC and heat on the boat, keep you comfortable for a nice weekend away. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough of the Sea Ray. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. Plenty more to see on this boat, so give us a call, 410-732-1260. My name is Perry. Hope you have a great day.